We're in Chudley Knighton with our 3 dogs. We're going to Canonteign Falls on a hospitality day today. So they want to have a look at, they want to show us around Canonteign Falls, and they give us coffee and tea. And I think it's so we can say to our guests, you know, go to Canonteign Falls, which is a lovely place to go to. But we're just stopping off in this forest now for our dogs to have a little run. Well, we're in a beautiful woodland at the moment with our 3 dogs and my beautiful wife. On a Tuesday morning, just listen to the birds singing. Oh, it's gorgeous. Long may it last. Here we are with our 3 little puppies. It's Peggy, Phoebe and Pudsey. And we're in this beautiful forest at the moment, going for a lovely woodland walk. You can hear all the birds. Just gorgeous. So we're going to go for a walk down here. Just a beautiful day in England. Well, there is a road over there, but it's not too busy with the traffic, so you get to appreciate all the bird songs. Gorgeous. And these guys have already been for a run, so we've got them on their leads now just to calm them down a bit. Otherwise they'll run themselves out. Here we are at Canonteign Falls. So we're going to have a little walk around and have a little visit to the place. We've been here a few times before, but what a beautiful day to be visiting it. Okay, we started off with a bang. Got another coffee, got tea, got some cake. I've already had one. So there's one there as well, but I've had that. Not bad at all, eh? Not bad. I love free food. This is where we are at the moment in Canonteign Falls. Look how gorgeous this is. It is beautiful. We're with a small group this morning, just a small group ahead. We're getting taken round to various places. We're going to go to the fern garden now, but that is gorgeous. This place is called Canonteign Falls. Beautiful waterfall there. Comes down to a lovely stream over this bridge and down here. And now we're going up to the highest man-made waterfall in England. A beautiful pond here leading into a stream, and then it's going up to the highest waterfall in England. You just start to see it at the top there. There it is, coming down through the trees. Look at that. We're going to climb up there and have a look down from the top. It's good to get a good perspective of it from the bottom as well. Look at that. There it is. Highest waterfall in England. Wow. Comes right the way down from the top and all the way down through these little crags into this stream. Beautiful. This is the fern garden in Canonteign Falls. Look at all these ferns.
Then we had the dry, after planting all these ferns.
I love these tree ferns.
So Bruce, labour of love, watered them and nurtured them through a year. And so this year, now they're coming back up again. It's really exciting to see. So we're walking along here and we will see the national collection.
Amazing. More ferns on this side as well. Canonteign Estate Fern Garden. Gorgeous. Look at this place. Ferns everywhere, and a redwood. It's raining for good measure. This bridge is called Devil's Leap Bridge. It was named by the local folk many centuries ago. This is a beautiful bridge, look at this. It goes all the way down there. How lovely is that? What a funny name for such a beautiful bridge. This is where we are. Surrounded by ferns and beautiful streams. We're going to look down now at the highest man-made waterfall this is, fed by these leats here in England. It's just round here. It's going to be a spectacular view as well. Just had to climb 90 steps to get up here, so quite high. Here we are, look at that view. Amazing view. And there's the leek still feeding the waterfall. And there's the waterfall. And right over there. What a view. Stunning. We are at England's highest waterfall with our 3 dogs. They walked all the way up, bless them. So there's the river running down. There they are, behaving well. Well, I say that. Stay there, guys. And here's the edge. That's our view. I think they've done very well to make it all the way up here. Well, they've probably got more energy than we have, haven't you guys, eh? You a good girl? Yeah, you're ready to run, aren't you? Yes, I know. They've done very well to make it all the way up here. What a view. It's one of the deepest mine shafts in England. Over 1,000 feet. This goes down. Bank Mills mine shaft. Sorry. Right. See if I can get any more up here. Ooh. Just goes down and down. Crazy. Just come down to this beautiful pond. We've had our little show around. We're going to go and get some lunch in a minute because they give us 10% off here. We're visiting today, which is not bad at all considering we didn't pay anything to come in. And look at this beautiful little river. Well, pond, I guess. Lake? Lake. It's not pond, is it? It's too big for a pond. Could have lunch here though. This would be quite nice, I'm sure. So we're sharing a steak pasty, and a half a Scotch egg with some chips and coleslaw. So we're sharing that now, and it is looking delicious. I haven't had it yet, but I'm sure it's delicious.